This is where the long-term value starts to crumble for some, but flourishes for others. Software updates. Amazfit recently updated their policy to offer 3+ years of support for the Balance. This is a huge shift for a brand previously criticized for launch-and-forget hardware. Repairability. The iFixit style reality is grim. Like most 5 ATM water-resistant watches, the screen is glued. If you snap the ribbon cable or crack the glass, a repair is often 50 to 60% of the device cost. 3-year projection. Base price $249. Subscriptions, Zepp Aura AI Sleep is $69 per year. Optional but pushed heavily. Total, about $450 over 3 years. Still cheaper than a Garmin Venue 3 upfront.